fellas and fellettes, guess what? It's Monday. And you know what this is? This here is OAM Garage number 2. And you know what I want to do? I want to help out OAM Garage. And you know how I'm going to do that today? I'm going to work on this area right here and try to get it prepped up for him when he comes back to work. When I'm saying him, I'm talking about me. I don't know how you like my new glasses. I got my new glasses on. Anyway, my wife don't like them. It's okay. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is not a whole lot. I'm just gonna get this prepped up so that when when I start on my next show, I can go ahead and spot weld this all up and get her ready. But what I'm on, well, I'll show you. Come on, I'm gonna show you what is today?
It's Monday, Mr. Rick.
See, I told you it's Monday. All right, then. Well, y'all come on back. All right, so I think we ought to go ahead and get this out of the way. Can you see me? I don't know if you can or not. Anyway. Oh, you can see me. Okay. Well, anyway. That's mighty tasty out here in this cold weather. Oh, let's see. It's in the 30s now. It's about 2:30. I waited that long to come out and do this little bit of stuff that I want to do because it's so cold. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just file this down and this down a little bit and do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to put a piece of tape over all of this. Then I'm going to spray paint that. Don't you want to know why? Because when I spot welded this in the other day, it immediately started raining. So before I could get to the welding, I already had surface rust, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to knock these down. I'm going to try to knock these down. Or, I know that. Are you kidding me? You're supposed to be something. Maybe that's the one I put in my light. I don't know. Always something.
You need for me to come over and help you, Mr. Rick?
No, I don't right now. But thank you anyway, P. Roy.
All right, then.
Always trying to help. He's a good man and all. Get over in here. I'm hoping this camera right here is picking up something. I hope it is. Looking better. Time for another one. All right, I'm gonna take this one here out. Where you at, airplane?
It's right over there, Mr. Rick.
I see it.
All right, then.
All right. All right. I shall return. All right, yeah, I am. Follow me on around here. Hey, P-Roy, come over here and run this camera.
You mean it, Mr. Rick? Why, yeah. I do it.
You got it?
I got you, Mr. Rick.
Good job. All right. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to take this tape here. I hope you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tape over what I'm going to be welding so that okay. So that'll give me a little bit of time. Now I'm gonna have to do a better job on that. All right, let's see. All right, how are we looking? Yeah, okay. Almost had enough, didn't I? Almost. Good enough. All right, here we go. Over here, what do we got? All right. Yeah. Okay, so now, you got me, P-Roy?
I got you, Mr. Rick.
Okay. All right, so what Williams is going to do is Williams is going to paint this so that it won't rust by the time before I get back to it. Right? All right. Supposed to get warmer, and I'm cold. I'm a southern boy. You know what I'm saying? All right. care if it runs. It's fine. All right. Like I said, I don't care if it runs. It's even thicker there. I don't care. That'll be fine. Cold out here anyway. It ain't gonna do right anyway. Right? Right?
That's right, Mr. Rick.
Right. Where's the top? What do I do with it? There it is. All right. And I'm gonna leave that tape on there until I take it off when I get ready to start welding. All right then? All right. All right, well, I guess that's about all I want to do. So, look here. Thank you for dropping by. This is OAM Garage number 2. And remember that God loves you. Why don't you do something for him to let him know you love him back? It is a good idea, ain't it, P-Roll? Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Rick, where'd you get them our glasses? I sure do like them. You ought to give them to me. I hate these glasses.
You like my glasses? You think I ought to give them to you?
Well, yeah.
Well, my wife don't like them, so
She don't.
good chance you might get them.
Well, I hope so.
All right, y'all be sweet. Say goodbye, P-Roy.
All right then, Mr. Rick, I'll be sweet.